what's up, you guys? It's time to take this off again. Wait, let me turn on the light. Turn on the light. Yeah. Do I look beautiful? Grimace is having the greatest birthday of all times. Also, this is so uncomfortable and I can't see or breathe or hear. I have no senses left. I want them back. Let's go. So, before I take this off, I want to get my cat's reaction to this makeup. Oh. Are you scared? He doesn't like it. Okay, well, that's a sign to take it off. I don't know. I think it's fair to start with the eyebrows. Oh, nice. Okay, what next? Let's go for the eyes so I could see. Oh my god. I feel like this is more terrifying than, than it was with the eyes. But, okay, this part has come off pretty much all the way. Oh. Fast, fast, fast. 1, 2, 3. I forgot what air smells like. But imagine someone knocking on the door right now and me going to open it like this. Like, wait. Knock, knock, knock. Hi, yes, hello. Have you been trying to reach me about my car's extended warranty?
No, thank you. No. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, I want to keep taking this off because my ears hurt. They're somewhere in there. Okay, this is all liquid latex. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah, okay, that hurts. Wait, 1, 2, 3. It's been so long. Ah. The longer I have this makeup on my face, the less brain cells I have. Okay, at least a part of my eyebrow is still there. I'm just procrastinating on taking the neck off because I know that's gonna hurt. Okay, do the sideburns. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's yarn in my eyes and mouth and nose. Okay, this is all bald cap. Oh, never mind. Gonna be selling this on my OnlyFans? I'm just kidding. Can you imagine? I do want to free my ears. Oh, that's nice. I really don't know how to approach the neck. I feel like it's gonna come out in patches or with my skin. Like, it's on there. At least there's progress. It's just taking so long. Okay, I think I got most of it. Did you miss the nightmare fuel, you guys? I did. I'm gonna go shower. Hopefully my skin is not too stained after this.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Lois, this is not my Batman glass.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off. Take off my makeup with me. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. This is bad. Oh no. I'm gonna try to get the CD. The neck is always the worst part. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, ah. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now. Hi. I don't want to take my makeup off again. I look so good. I look so good. I don't want to take this off.
I just want to stay a really cool goddess for the rest of my life. And can I get these, like, what if I use super glue? No, that's a bad idea. So I went to go change, and then I got really sad, and I ended up eating, and now my lipstick's off, but I guess that's a good first step. All the blood in this thing has dried by now. Ah. Well, there's no going back now. Not the glitters. Once again, no physical pain, just emotional. And you guys, have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, Arrow Heart Edition. I have to be on a meeting in like 5 minutes. Okay, let's get this arrow off the top of it. Ow! These are the biggest lashes I've ever had on my face. The 2 little lash spikes. I really do not know how I'm getting this off in like 3 minutes now. I'm gonna be stained pink, and I don't even have time to put on foundation to cover it. Yeah, this glitter's gonna be a problem. Let's try to get these out without getting glitter in my eyes. This is the best I can do here. I'm gonna go wash my face.
Alright, you guys, it's time to take this off again, and I really don't want to because I really like this look. Send help. I'm living for the rhinestone lips, though. Can I take them off all at once? No. You know, I was hoping at least the removal would be satisfying, but no, there's no redemption for this look. I almost ate a rhinestone. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make fashion. And eat rhinestones, apparently. I'm gonna cry. Okay, no kidding though, I had this wig on for literally the whole day and I don't remember what my natural hair looks like. I am really not happy about this, not happy at all, but oh well. I literally look like a clown right now. Who knew there was such a thin line between the runway and the circus? I am no longer high fashion. Let's take off the wig. Oh boy. It's stuck. It's a sign. I don't need to take it off. It's so funny though. I hated the wig when I put it on and then I fell in love with it. Okay, I low-key forgot how good my hair looks.
No one would believe this story if there wasn't a video. In 2013, a rogue wave capsized a tugboat, killing 11 of 12 men on board. The 12th man was flung into the hallway, which was already filled with water. Panicked, he starts swimming towards the exit, but accidentally goes into the engine room where he finds an air pocket. And there this poor man sat, listening to the sounds of these huge sharks fighting over the bodies of his friends just on the other side of the wall. Total darkness, no food or water 100 feet below the surface. 3 days later, one of the divers that was sent down there to retrieve their bodies sees a hand.
Found one, yeah? He's alive, he's alive. Okay. All right.
Harrison O'Keene survived the ordeal and plans on writing a book.
Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off.
Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching.
'Tis time to take this off again. Now, is this a good makeup? No. You can see I did not blend anything. I'm sorry. From far away, maybe. Yeah, I can see that. Or can I? I can't see. My mom has seen every single one of my looks, and now she thinks I need therapy. And to be honest, I probably do. I changed the lights to help me see, but it didn't help. Ow. That kind of helps me see, though. Ouch. This may be satisfying to you guys. I don't know if I can say that for myself, though. So I think this one got a little bit of my eyebrow. Like right at the end, right here. I'll be fine. They're gonna grow back. Ooh. There's literally cotton in my eye. Boop. Be right back. Good to go. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Oh yes. This is not my best look, but it's not the worst, so we're chilling. Good stuff. Nice. Ah. It always feels good to take makeup off. Especially makeup like this. I'll be right back. Oh wow, look, nothing changed. I'm just kidding. Look at me. Even though that was a fairly simple look, if you guys still want to see a tutorial or want to know what products I used, go ahead and check the link in my profile. It's a tutorial, oh yes. But other than that, you guys have an amazing day. Yeah.
I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, there's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry.